introduction of automated laser welding equipment, fast speed, large depth, and small deformation. It can be welded at room temperature or under special conditions. The power density is high. When welding high-power devices, the depth ratio can reach 5:1 and up to 10:1. The laser can be accurately positioned and can be used in mass automatic production group welding. Giving you the confidence in our one-stop commercial solution. Please contact us with any inquiries at info@EziDoneGroup.com.